Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start adjusting brightness right now. First, make sure the monitor is connected and turned on and that Windows detects it. Open Start, choose Settings, then System and Display so you're on the Brightness Controls page. This is faster than digging through Control Panel. If you're on a desktop with an external screen, also locate the monitor's physical buttons or the GPU control panel. Those are often needed. Once done, keep settings open for the next steps. Now adjust the slider labeled Brightness to set your preferred light level. Move it slowly to avoid overshooting. If your device shows an option for adaptive brightness, toggle it on or off depending on whether you want Windows to respond to ambient light. This prevents sudden changes in dim rooms. For finer control, gamma, color temperature, or if the slider is missing, open the Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD control panel and change display settings there. Make sure finish by confirming settings across applications and watching a video to ensure brightness looks consistent in different content. Adjust again if needed. If the brightness slider is missing, update your display and monitor drivers via Device Manager and run Windows Update, then reboot. Driver conflicts often hide the control. If changes do not take effect, inspect the monitor's on-screen display, ensure cables and power are secure, and try a different port or cable. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall or roll back the display driver if brightness behaves erratically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.